So on homework 15, we're going to be multiplying polynomials by a monomial. So when we're multiplying bases, we are adding our exponents. That's what we did on homework 12. So I am going to be multiplying my 3x times 5x. And so I multiply the big numbers. 3 times 5 gives me the 15. And then I have x times x, which gives me x squared. And then 3x times 4. So plus my 3 times 4 is 12. And then the x. And that's my answer. On number 2, negative 2a times a is negative 2. And then a times a is a squared. And then negative 2a times 3, negative 6a. Number 3, 5x cubed times 5x. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then the x to the third times the x is x to the fourth. And then 5x squared times 3. So I multiply the 5 times 3, get plus 15. And then x to the third. Number 4, 4y to the third times 6y to the second. So I have 4 times 6 to give me 24. And then y to the third times y to the second. I add the exponents, so y to the fifth. Then 4 times negative 4, negative 16. And I have y to the third times y to the 1, so that's y to the fourth. Plus, and then I have 4 times 3 is 12, and then y to the third. Number 5, 2x times 7 gives me 14x. And then 2x times negative x is negative 2x squared. Number 6, 3x squared times 5x. So I take the big 3 times the 5, so 15. And then x to the third times x to the first would be x to the fourth, because we add the exponents. 3x to the third times 3 plus 9x to the third. Number 7. So 8 times the 6 gives me 48. And then y to the third times y to the second is y to the fifth. And then 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Y to the third times y to the first is y to the fourth. And then 8 times 8 gives me plus 64. Y to the third. And our last one, 5x times 7, 35x. 5x times negative x, negative 5x squared.